Short-form content on TikTok and Instagram Reels has become one of the fastest ways to grow an audience and earn income online. The algorithm rewards consistency, creativity, and high engagement. But AI now makes all of that easier than ever. You can create faceless videos, auto-generate captions, and even produce original audio clips using AI tools. Short-form content has huge viral potential, leading to rapid follower growth and big traffic spikes. Once you have attention, you can monetize through affiliate links, digital products, paid promotions, niche offers, and even UGC brand deals. With AI handling nearly every part of production, one person can run a high-output, short-form content system that feels like a team of editors, writers, and strategists working behind the scenes. Your success on TikTok and Instagram begins with strong ideation. AI can analyze trending topics, identify viral patterns, and uncover gaps where competition is low but demand is high. Ask AI to research hashtags, sound trends, hooks, and top-performing videos in your niche. It can instantly generate 30 to 60 content ideas tailored to your audience, motivational clips, educational bites, storytelling videos, tutorials, comparisons, and list-style posts. AI can also evaluate which ideas have the highest engagement potential based on platform algorithms. Once you have your ideas, ask AI to build a 7-day or 30-day posting calendar, complete with content themes, captions, hashtags, and recommended posting times. This planning removes creative friction and sets you up for consistent growth. Hooks and captions make or break short-form content. AI excels at writing attention-grabbing hooks like "stop scrolling" or "this one habit changed everything" that boost retention. It can generate full scripts for educational, storytelling, motivational, or faceless content styles. You can also ask AI to match the tone and aesthetic of your niche: luxury, fitness, business, mindset, beauty, tech, or entertainment. AI produces engaging captions, call to actions, and hashtags optimized for visibility. With a single prompt, you can generate dozens of scripts, each ready to record or convert into an automated video. Repurposing is simple. AI can rewrite the script for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts with platform-specific nuances. This gives you a massive content advantage with minimal work. Creating short-form videos used to require editing skills, filming gear, and hours of work. Now, AI tools completely automate the process. CapCut templates allow you to plug in your script or clips and instantly get professional edits. Runway and Pika can generate B-roll, animations, and visuals for faceless videos. Descript and Veed let you edit using text, auto-remove filler words, and add subtitles automatically. You can also use AI voice generators for narration, making it possible to run an entirely faceless content brand. Combine AI visuals, stock footage, and dynamic captions to create scroll-stopping content. With batching, you can produce 10 to 20 videos in a single day, more than enough for consistent posting across multiple platforms. This level of output dramatically increases your chances of going viral and growing fast. Once your videos are ready, AI helps you publish and monetize efficiently. Use AI to generate optimized captions, hashtags, and call to actions tailored to each platform. Schedule your posts using Meta Business Suite or dedicated tools like Later, Buffer, or Metricool. Drive traffic to a link in bio funnel that promotes your digital products, affiliate offers, or email list. AI analytics tools can evaluate which hooks work best, which formats perform well, and when to post for maximum reach. As your system matures, aim for 1 to 3 videos per day per platform. This level of consistency can grow an audience rapidly. Once you gain momentum, monetization opportunities explode. Affiliate sales, digital products, sponsorships, UGC deals, consulting offers, and even paid shoutouts. Short-form AI content becomes a fast-scaling income machine.